everyone, welcome back to my course, and as you can see, this is the first chapter showing you the yarn that we're gonna use in this course and how much skein. So first, this is Alice Diva Silky Effect yarn. I'm gonna use this beautiful like a baby blue color or kind of a sky sea color. It's really beautiful, so I'm gonna use this color here, and it's Silky Effect. It's really fine one, but it's really nice and really strong. I really love using this kind of yarn, and this color is number 346. I'm sorry. Okay, if you want to try the same color, but of course you can choose whatever color you like. So in this course or in this top, I'm gonna crochet using 5 skeins for medium to large size. If you're gonna make it like a X large or 2X large, of course you're gonna need another skein. And if you're gonna do from X small to small, you're gonna use about like 4 skeins, but just in case have another one in case you're gonna need more. Actually that like the yarn that you're gonna use in this top depends on the length of the top that you're gonna make. So for me, the perfect length, because I made this twice before and I'm gonna make this course for you guys, so I already know I need 5 skeins of yarn. Actually I used about 4.5 or 4.5 and just a little bit more, but of course you buy by skeins, so I'm gonna have a full sack of 5 skeins. It comes in this, okay? But of course you can buy individually. Okay, so this is for the yarn, and for the crochet hook I'm gonna use 5mm hook. I know it looks so big comparing to the yarn size, but we're gonna make something fluffy and something like a very wide, very flexible, so we're gonna use a bigger hook for this yarn. So I'm gonna use 5mm hook. Of course, if you want to make it more fluffier, more bigger, you can use 5.5 or 6, but don't go too far because it will not look beautiful and the pattern will not hold together. If you want to make it more tight, of course you can go for 4.5 or 4, but it will be a little bit tighter, and we're gonna need more yarn to work with to do the same size. So this is the perfect 5mm hook with 5 skeins of yarn to make our project or our top. So now let's go to the next chapters or the next videos to show you how to crochet, and let's make this together step by step to show you everything. And I really hope this course will be beautiful and helpful, and that's like, stop plopping and let's begin. See you in the next chapter.